It is a beautiful bird. I'm not too sure if it's a dove. I did get some nice pictures. I saw a feather. It's a sign. The feather has been blowing back and forth on part of the roof, in and out. I saw a cardinal before. Many birds, small fluttering birds, also passing back and forth. Oh, there's a butterfly. You're such a beautiful bird. There's so many birds around this area. I do not always get to see all of them, but when I am able to observe, there's foxes, deers, bunnies, dragonflies, butterflies. So many things. They're doing a little construction on the side. You're such a pretty bird.